Welcome to the shop. I'm Brian. We're going to now examine this mid-19th century map of New York City here. The first thing we'll notice is the overall pleasing appearance of it. It's a nice looking map. We're going to examine it in a little more detail because there are a few age flaws that I want to point out. And the first of which is at the upper two corners is a small area of loss, like so, that's been backed with matching paper. There is also this short closed tear here that somebody long ago repaired. And then down at the bottom here is this a slight, well, it's a diagonal crease, but visually it's slight. If, like, for instance, if the map were matted like this, you essentially wouldn't even see it, but I want to mention it. And then up here at the upper right corner is this little triangular portion of paper replaced that's matching, like so. You see that the map has been lithographed and it's got original hand color. It's got the majority of Brooklyn here, as well as Jersey City, and the Hudson River going over here, like so. I'm going to flip it over. So on the back, you can see that this right here, these are the two corners with the paper replaced. This is the old repair to the tear that someone has done. And down here is a piece of tissue paper that has been used to back that fold line to keep it sort of laying flat, and there's a couple minor tiny little edge splits that have been repaired. But really, overall, despite those repairs, the map maintains a very pleasing visual appearance. It's 1867, and it is available now online from me, Brian DeMambro.